Hi, I'm Danica and I build WordPress membership site. And in this next video, we're gonna check the membership levels with Memberium. So in here, you could do whatever you think you need to do for whatever membership levels you need. Membership levels in Memberium based on the tags that you have in ActiveCampaign, and you could actually create your tags directly in here in this page without going through your ActiveCampaign account. Now, when building membership sites, you need to be aware what levels you need. So, example, if you have a free trial, and then you have a premium, and then you have a lifetime, then you need to decide um, for what type of levels you need for your website based on that one. So in here, I think what I'm gonna do for this demo is I'm gonna create three levels. So I'm gonna do a free trial. You could name it whatever you need to. I'm just gonna do the simplest format for this demo. So free trial. So maybe 3 day to be specific. 3 day free trial, and then maybe I'm gonna do create. Okay. Okay, so that's the first one. And then if I go to my ActiveCampaign account, manage tags, you can see that it has been auto-generated. So it will, if you check this box, include PayF, suspension, cancellation, and create, it will include this other tags. And you could use this for marking a subscription canceled, payment failure, or subscription. Next is I'm gonna do annual members. I'm just gonna do it that way. Include, and then I'm also gonna do lifetime members. Okay, so we have 3 membership levels now. And just a note, in terms of naming, I always suggest to name it properly. This is a new account that I have, so I'm not really worried. But whenever, example, I do set up for my clients, what I do is I name it like membership levels and then underscore whatever that level is, just to make it clean. In this demo, we're just making it very simple, and I also want to name it to something that will make more sense in general. But example, I have set up like membership levels for specific like webinars only, that kind of naming. Again, I'm sure you know your levels and package than anyone else, so name it properly with that and have some indicator that it is a membership level. So maybe what I could also do, just to show you how I prefer naming and whenever I set up something. So I do like membership level, and then greater than, and then I do, let's just say 7-day free trial, and then let's just say for course A. Okay, so it means 7-day free trial for course A. And then do it that way, and then create. Okay, so with that format, if you have like a bunch of tags in here, it's gonna be more easier to search it for membership, and because it's attached to your name, rather than if I'm just gonna search for like example, if you have different trials, different levels, it's gonna be hard to track all of this. But if you put some indicator that that's part of your membership level, then it's gonna be easier to organize later. Okay, so in this example, that's what I want you to see. Now for levels, the higher this goes, the hierarchy is more prioritized. Like example, if my lowest level is this free trials, I'm gonna leave it a 0, and then next is I want to set the annual as the highest from that too, but the lifetime is actually more high and priority than the annual. So that's when you set it and then you update this membership levels. Now, what does do is, example, if a log, let's just say, um, let's just say as time goes by, you keep on adding some resources, right? And with this level, example, if in your resources you accidentally set just to have this protection for that resource, like if it's a free guides or something. But since you set the level here that actually there's a higher level than free trial, then that's gonna automatically, that resources is also automatically be available to your lifetime members. I hope it's making more sense, but you could check this, what's this link again. That's very helpful from Memberium to understand more how that works. But in my videos, I'm also gonna show you how that also really works. I think it's more easier to show you visually than explain it in this case. Login priority, we're just gonna word in that later. And then if example, if I go here, lifetime members, you could see different options in here. But for now, we're just gonna leave everything as a default. But if you're looking for specific functionality and maybe you're wondering, most of the time you could see what's available in this case, in this part I mean. We could also create a new tags from here. So example is you just would need to quickly create any tag for your membership site, and you already know what you need. Then rather than going to your ActiveCampaign site, you just create that in here. And then you could also do a drip tags in here. So example, if you want to drip, let's just say 7-day free course, then you want to create some drip tags for that and control that in your ActiveCampaign site, then you could create the tags in here. Now in this example, I'm gonna create, I'm gonna copy this, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to follow the name, but instead of membership naming, I'm gonna do drip, and then 7-day free trial course A, and I'm gonna do not that one, greater than, and then day, and then space. I'm gonna put some space because automatically it will add whatever number you put in here. So start 1 and end 7, and then I'm gonna do create one. So you can see that in here, but if you go here and search for drip, you can see everything in here. So actually, I actually just type in the 5. So a typo. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create it right away in here. And then day 6 and 7 is available. So that's ready for us to create the automation and the upcoming videos. But I hope this video helped and explain what this membership level is. Again, in my experience of building Memberium membership sites for several clients, this page looks different per type of program that you have, and that's what's great about Memberium is it really doesn't lock you to what levels you could just have. You could have like as much as you need, and it just gives you that freedom because it controls the levels via tags, which you could take advantage for how or whatever marketing you need to do for your list inside your ActiveCampaign account. And again, that's also really the great thing if you are building membership sites with um, a Memberium and ActiveCampaign integration, because since they do talk each other and like sign or have a signal via tags, then tags is very easy to integrate to your automations, to your emails, and inside the membership sites, you can trigger it with Memberium shortcodes, and that's very handy, which of course we will tackle in the next videos. But again, um, it's just super convenient and powerful to have this kinds of um, setup and freedom. So, yep, I hope this video helps. And if you have any question, comment that down below, and I'll do my best to answer that as soon as I can. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.